If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can easily insert your own pictures saved to your computer into Word documents. However, before you do this, ensure you know within which folder on your computer you saved the picture to insert. You must know this information to locate and then insert the picture in Word. To insert pictures in Word, first place the insertion mark cursor into the document at the location where you want to insert the picture. Then click the Pictures button in the Illustrations button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. To insert a locally saved picture, then select the This Device command to open the Insert Picture dialog box. Use this dialog box to navigate to the folder that contains the picture to insert. When the picture to insert appears in the dialog box, then click it to select it. Then click the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. The picture you selected is then inserted into the Word document. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.